Welcome to today's session. Now, let me show you how you can quickly solve this problem. You have been given this shape and then you are asked to find the perimeter. So this is a trapezium and you are asked to find the perimeter. Perimeter actually means the total boundary of the shape. So we need to know the length of AB, the length of BC, the length of AD, and the length of DC. Then we add this length together and that becomes the perimeter of this shape. But then you realize that we only know our AD and our BC. We don't know what AB is, neither do we know what DC is. So first of all, we have to find this side AB. Then you will agree with me that this triangle here is a right angle triangle. If I bring out this now, so I'm trying to manage space. This is a right angle triangle. So if here is 17, this is your hypotenuse, and then this is 15. So this is my ADB. Using Pythagoras theorem, to find this side, we just say AB squared equals to the square of the hypotenuse, which is 17, minus the square of the adjacent. And that quickly will give us 17 squared minus 15 squared will give us 64. So we're going to have that AB then equals to square root of 64, because I needed to remove this square. The only way to remove this square is to introduce a square root. Therefore, our AB is 8 cm. So now we have found this side and we can then call it ACM. But we are still not done. We need to know what CD is, or DC rather. How then do we do that? So let me remove this now since I've already done this. Now, I can extend this from here to here and then make it look like a rectangle. So this becomes my E. You agree with me? So I just extended this from here to here. If from A to D is 15 and that from B to C is 9, what would then be from C to E? Because of the same length, BE must be equal to AD. Since AD is 15 and BC is 9, therefore this CE is 6. So this will become 6 cm. So that when we say 9 plus 6, we get back our 15. I've not done any magic. And then we know that this side is 8 cm. So if AB is 8 cm and they're of the same height, then ED will also be 8 cm. So we have a new triangle here. Now bring it out. We have this now, where we have C, E, and D. So label it accordingly. We have 6 cm here, and then we have 8 cm here. So we need to find the hypotenuse again, and we're going to use the Pythagoras theorem. So we're going to find CD. So we can say that CD squared becomes equal to the sum of what? Sum of the square of the opposite and that of the adjacent. So CD becomes square of 6 plus square of 8 will give us 100. So CD becomes square root of 100, and that will give us 10 cm. Therefore, we can come back to the original diagram and then write how much here? 10 cm. So if I reproduce this diagram now, this is what I'm going to have. I'm going to have this shape with all the sides known now. So I'm going to have this. this is 9, and here is 10. This is a trapezium. All the sides are now given. We can therefore find the perimeter, and that is by simply adding up the sides. So the perimeter P becomes equals to 15 plus 9 plus 8 plus 10, and that leaves us with 15 plus 9 plus 8 plus 10. That will give us 42 cm. This is how you can find the perimeter of this shape, trapezium. I hope you've understood it. Otherwise, please leave a comment for me in the comment section and I will address it. Please remember to share, like, and comment so that other persons also will have access to the knowledge that we are sharing for free. I'll see you next time. Thank you.